Hey everyone, it's Miss Karen from North Campus Infants. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Play-Doh. So first you're going to need flour, salt, and some water. It's very simple, 3 ingredients that hopefully you guys have in your home. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the flour, I'm going to put it in a bowl. We're going to add salt, and then we're going to add our water. Now you can also add some food coloring or something to make it a different color. I don't have food coloring at home, so I'm going to use Jell-O. I'm just going to add a little bit, make it blue. Okay, and we're going to knead it in the bowl. Mix the batter, stir the batter, pour some flour in. Mix the batter, stir the batter, pour it in a tin. Sprinkle sprinkles on the top. Put it into bake. Open wide the oven door. Out comes some Play-Doh. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very sticky. So I'm just going to keep rubbing my hands together. And it is going to be a little bit blue. And here it comes, starting to turn into Play-Doh. And hopefully, because it's only 3 ingredients, you guys have all these ingredients on hand at home. So there we have Play-Doh. Also, you can put it into an airtight container and you can play with it for about a week. It should stay for you. And there it is. We have Play-Doh. Thank you, everybody. I hope you're staying safe. I miss you all. Have a nice weekend. Bye.